Good morning, dear students and parents. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Manju Madar, welcome you all in online teaching program by RD Group of Schools. Today we are going to start Block 2 LP 3. Before proceeding further on, I want to request all the parents to gather all the resources, and resources are not much. Only content book and notebook is there. So we keep with them. So what is our topic today? Our topic is retelling a story in order. What is our topic? Retelling a story in order. Okay student, tell me. Whenever you are going to school, are you waking up and just come to the school?
Are you doing any other things?
Okay, what do? You are not coming directly from the bed to the school. What are you doing? First, you are waking up, then you are going to the washroom, then you brush your teeth, then you are taking bath, and then breakfast, getting ready to the school, then you are coming to the school. So this is the proper order to come to the school. So we are going to retell a story in proper order means the sequence, means how the things to do, means which thing should be done first, which then, after then, that, the next, and the finally. So what is our aim today? Our aim is to retell story in correct sequence, to retell story in correct sequence using order words, using order words. This is our aim, to retell story in the correct sequence using order words. Means today we will read the story in proper order. हम फिर से हमारी स्टोरी को बताएंगे, but in the proper order by using the words. Which are the keywords? Our keywords are order, first, next, then, after that, finally. So we are going to use these words, then we will retell the story, we will tell the sequence of the story. Yes student, now it is time for the action. What will we do in action? We will retell a story. Now I am going to show one picture. Now look at this picture. Yes. What Anya and Dragon are doing? Yes. Anya has opened his lock. It is the picture from the story Anya and the Dragon. Tell me, does the story begins from here? Yes, think about it. What happens before it? And what happened next? Think about these questions. And what happens in the end? Yes, student. How did the story begin? Yes, what happened at the first? Yes, what happens in the first? Think about the story. Yes, right. A lonely and sad dragon lived in a king's palace. A lonely and sad dragon lived in king's palace. Did he live? He lived in king's palace. He lived in king's palace. Yes, students. What happened then? What happened then? First of all, how did our story begins? A lonely and sad dragon lived in king's palace. Then who came? Who came to the dragon? A princess came to the dragon. A princess came to the dragon. Okay student, now we are going to do the activity, and this is a pair activity. So who will be your pair? Your parents can be your pair. Okay, your partner. So parents, please be the partner of your word. Now what will you do? You will discuss about the story with your partner, and you will discuss about these. What happened then, after that, What happened finally. And keep this thing in mind whenever you are going
To look
about
for,
the answer of this question. What happened next?
we'll discuss about only.
Only the important actions which happened in the story. Yes, students, now it is time for the analysis part. I'm going to ask some questions which are based on the activity only. Okay, my first question is, what steps did we follow to retell the story? Yes, right. We used the order words to retell the story. Which words? We used the order words. First, next, then, after that, finally, to retell the story in a correct order. Yes, my next question is, did we include all the events when we retell the story? Yes, think about it. Yes, right. We didn't include all the details. Yes, right. We have not included all the events. We included only the selected and the important events from the story to complete the order of the story. Yes, parents, please pause the video after every question so that the student can get enough time to think about the questions and their answer. Yes, my next question is, what would happen if we did not follow the correct order of the story? Yes, students, retelling a story in correct order help us to understand the order in which the story take place. Means when we are retelling the story in correct order, then only we can understand the story. Otherwise, we would be puzzled. We cannot understand the story. Suppose if I'm telling you that Anya has opened the chain of the dragon, you don't know the dragon, which chain, where was he, you are not aware about all these things. So to know about whole the story and to understand the story completely, we have to follow the correct order of the story. Ready for the next question? How do the order word help us? How do the order words help us? Yes, right. Order words help us to connect the sentences with the events together. Means these order words connect the events together. What happened first, which happened then, next, after that, and finally. Means they are connecting with the each other. So these words help us to connect the story together and remember the events in which story happens. Means we are able to remember all the events, how the story had taken place, how the events had happened. Now it's time for the higher order thinking question. Yes, can you use these order words to talk about something else? Means whenever you are talking about somebody else, some anything, something else, are you using these words? Yes, think about this question. Yes, parents, please pause the video and let them think. Yes, right. Order words are used many a times. For example, whenever your mother is making any recipe, she is preparing any recipe, then also these words are used many a times. And whenever you are telling about your daily life, your routine life, then also you are using. Okay, students, whenever you are using, yes, right. Okay, you are doing your homework. Suppose your teacher is asking, what are you doing at your home after the departure time? छुट्टी होने के बाद आप क्या करते हो घर पे? Then you are telling, how you are telling all these things? You are saying, ma'am, first I go to home, then I change, after that I took my lunch, and next I do my homework, and finally go for the playing. Yes, students, now it is time for application part. What will you do? You will complete your S3. It is given on page number 18 in workbook. And parents, please ensure try to complete it within 15 minutes. In others, so you are I was giving 10 minutes, but in this I am giving 15 minutes because it is longer than them. Yes, so you will complete this in your workbook, and for completing this you help the partner. You will take the help of your partner. With the help of partner you will complete this. Yes student, now open your workbook page number 18 S3, retelling a story in order. What will you in this? Retell the story in correct order. First you will write how the story begins. After then next. After that finally. Okay, I'm going to show you the pictures. With the help of these pictures you can write about how the story begins, what happened then, what happened next, and what happened after that and finally. So now look at the pictures. Yes, this is the first picture. Now what is going on in this picture? Now second picture, this is third, next one is fourth, and finally it is last picture. So with the help of these pictures you can easily complete your worksheet. Yes student, now it is time for the homework. What is our homework today? Draw 5 pictures from the story which tell you what happened first, then next, after that, and finally in the story in correct order. Means what will you do? You will draw the 5 picture which will tell you about the order words. Means from through the help of these pictures the story of the picture should be clear in proper order. Okay, and the picture you will draw in correct order. Okay student, now it is time for the summarization part. Okay, can you tell me what have we learned today? Yes, right, what have we learned today? We have learned about the sequencing of the story, the proper order of the story, how to retell the story in proper order by using the order words. What happened first, what happened then, what happened next, what happened after that, and finally. So you have learned the use of these order words, and through the story of the Anya you have done this also, and we have achieved our aim to retell story in the correct sequence using order words. So students, it was our today's aim and we have achieved it successfully. And don't forget, be ready for the next class also. And what will be the resources for the next class? Only your content book, notebook, and your workbook. Thanks. Have a nice day.